How to add Cash App to Apple Pay. Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to add Cash App to Apple Pay. This integration allows you to access your Cash App balance directly through Apple Pay, making payments even easier. Let's get started. First, make sure you have your Cash App account set up. If you haven't done this yet, download Cash App from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store and follow the prompts to create your account. You'll also want to have your Apple Pay set up on your device with a linked debit or credit card. Next, open the Cash App on your device. Tap on the profile icon in the top right corner of the home screen to access your account settings. Make sure your account is verified to use all features, including linking with Apple Pay. To use Cash App with Apple Pay, you need to order a cash card. Tap on the Cash Card tab at the bottom of the screen. If you haven't ordered one yet, follow the prompts to customize and request a card from Cash App. This card is essential for linking Cash App to Apple Pay. Once you have your Cash Card, open the Wallet app on your iPhone. Tap the plus icon to add a new card and select debit or credit card. Follow the prompts to enter your Cash Card information or simply use the camera to scan your card. Once added, you'll see your Cash Card listed in your app wallet. After adding your Cash Card, you're all set. You can now use your Cash App balance for purchases wherever Apple Pay is accepted. Just select Apple Pay at checkout and choose your Cash Card as the payment method. And that's how to add Cash App to Apple Pay. This integration makes managing your funds more convenient. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.